Okay, so I'm going to show you how to create a quick Clicker 5 book that could be used as a social story. Everything is in templates. So when I open up Clicker, I get the Clicker Explorer. I'm going to go create a new grid set. And I'm going to go to bookmaking. And I'm going to do portrait 1, 2. And I can preview the pages. So I got a picture on the left and text on the side. Okay, so that's what I want. I want you to pay attention down here where it says run mode, and if I double click it, it goes into edit mode, and I can then move cells around and everything else, and it gives me full editing capability. I like to work in edit mode, but whenever you're doing a text box, you just have to shift click to change the title. So this would be a sample book, and then go down here again, shift click by Troy Kruger. And if I want a picture in here, I'm going to right click, and I can then go into properties. Here I can adjust everything I want. Change, put sound and video, whatever. I'm just going to go ahead and actually I'll show you how to get a picture off the internet. I don't know if this works, so I'm going to try and drag another window in here. Alright, let's just say I want this soccer picture, or let's say I want, doesn't really matter. We're just going to get a picture from Google. Make sure you view the image. It's connecting. Maybe we'll try a different one. Let's say I want, so I found a picture of the soccer ball. I'm going to right click it. I'm going to copy the image URL. Okay. And then I'm simply going to go to choose picture, browse files, paste that in here. So I don't have to put it on my hard drive. It'll just use it from the internet. And that goes in. I can delete the associated text that goes with it because I don't want that. I just want the whole thing. Alright, let me put the picture in that way. If you have pictures on your hard drive, it's the same type of thing. So let's just go to the next page. Here I'll say shift click. This is page 1 of my book, right?
This is page 1 of my book.
And so it's set up so that when you click this button here, it will read that text and highlight it just like you saw. So over here again, I'm going to go ahead and right click because I'm still in edit mode, properties, and let's just say I have a picture on my hard drive that I want. My libraries are the things like the board maker type pictures and the photos that come with the program, but if I want to do my own files that you might take with a digital camera or something like this. Here, let's use this 5-point scale thing. Let's see, how about a reset button? Or we'll just do these. Doesn't matter. Again, I can delete that extra text if you don't want it, or you can put a caption. Doesn't matter. Insert that in there. Automatically resizes the page. If the student does not like
This is page 1 of my book.
to hear that voice, you can narrate it yourself. Okay, you're just going to click the microphone button, or the student can narrate it. And we're going to record my voice. This is page 1 of my book. Okay, I'm done. Now when I play this, this is page 1 of my book. It does it for the next, or it replaces that with my voice. Okay, another page. Again, real review. This is the second page. I like this. Okay,
I like this.
It's just like Microsoft Word up here. You've got all these tools. You can put color, you can change the background, you can change the font, you can put a text box in. It doesn't matter. Right click going over here. I'm gonna add another picture. I'll show you how to do that thing on the internet again. I think that was kind of cool. So let's look for something else. How about a panda? Okay. Oh, I really like baby pandas, and I really think that that's a cute picture. So I'm going to go ahead and view that image full screen. Now I'm going to shift. What I did is I'm going to shift click and drag it in and see if that works. No, that didn't work. It used to work, but this operating system doesn't do that. So I'm going to do it. Right click, copy the image URL, go back in here, right click this, properties, choose a picture from files, and I'm going to paste that URL in here, and so we'll go to the internet to find it rather than putting it on my hard drive. All right, and bang, there you go. Okay, so when you're all done, you just simply save the whole grid set. Don't save, yeah, just go save grid set as, and then we can call this Troy's example book. It's going to go into your Clicker 5 document folder. Click save. And then I close this all out completely just to show you that it still exists. Close this one. Don't want to save those changes. When I open up Clicker the next time, it keeps everything right here. So my example book should be ready to go. And now I can navigate it.
This is page 1 of my book.
And you remember the second page, I did not put a voice of my own in, so it should scan and read it.
This is the second page. I like this.
And again, even in run mode now, the student can use the recording feature to alter this anytime they want. This is the second page. I like this. Okay.
This is the second page. I like this.
Now we only did 2 pages, so the rest of these will be blank. You just have to add more. Okay. When you go to Home Grid, you've got all your stuff here again. So hopefully that'll help you get started. Good luck. Hope it works.